Seriously. Are you all going to swing like this every time starting you can? Oh, this is really bad. How are we gonna get out of this hole so we can take a stage? Well, if none of us came out, none of us will be eliminated, right? That'll be cool, right? Well, is it not unfair to the other teams? Who's going to eliminate me? I don't want to be eliminated. There. Excuse me, but Dora is lava-proof, is she not? We could send her out to speak with Four and get out of this predicament. Where Dora is not best at communicating though. I don't think Four will understand her. Actually, Elsa, you're made of metal. Go swim out.